Hello friends, myself Amit Belikar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to this next presentation on sources and chemical nature of drugs. After going through this video, the learner will be able to describe sources of drugs and describe chemical nature of drugs. So, first we are going to discuss about sources of drugs. The substances having medicinal importance, or we can say drugs, are obtained from different sources. We are discussing these sources one by one. So first source is plants. It is the richest source of drugs. Every plant may have one or more effect which can be employed as drug in human being. For example, morphine is obtained from opium, which can be used as an analgesic drug. Digoxin, it is a cardiotonic drug which is obtained from digitalis, and quinine is anti-malarial drug which is obtained from cinchona. So these are the various examples of drugs which we obtain from plants. Second source of drug is animals. Mostly hormones and gland secretions from different animals are used as a drug or replacement of that hormone or gland secretion in human being. Examples are insulin, which is obtained from pig. It is used to control diabetes mellitus in human being. Honey is one of the important example of drug which is obtained from animals. Next source is minerals. It is one of the important source, and many substances can be obtained from minerals which can be used as drugs. For example, liquid paraffin is there. Liquid paraffin, it is mostly used as pharmaceutical aid. Magnesium sulfate, which is having medicinal property. Kaolin, it is having adsorbent property, and it can be used in treatment of diarrhea. Next important source is microorganism. The substances which are obtained from microorganisms, or we can say that these are the byproducts of microorganism. This can be used as drugs. For example, most of the antibiotics which can be used in the treatment of infectious diseases can be obtained from microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Next important source is synthetic. Nowadays, most of the drugs can be obtained synthetically by reacting various chemicals with one another, or obtained by alteration or modification of the substances obtained from various sources which we already discussed. So like plants, animals, minerals, microorganisms, whatever substances obtained from these sources, these can be modified chemically, they are altered chemically, and new substances are produced. So that method or that source is called as synthetic source of drug. Example of the drugs which are synthetically obtained are aspirin, which is used as analgesic, sulfonamides, which can be used as antimicrobial drug, and corticosteroids, which are also having anti-inflammatory property. Now we are going to discuss about chemical natures of drug. Chemically, drug can be any one of the following. So first we are discussing about first chemical nature, that is alkaloids. Chemically, drug can be alkaloids. What are alkaloids then? These are the basic substances containing cyclic nitrogen which are insoluble in water, and these are obtained from plants. These are combined with acids to form acid salts of alkaloids which are soluble in water. So alkaloids as such, these are insoluble in water, but their acid salts are soluble in water. Example of alkaloids are morphine, atropine, amethine, and so on. There are so many alkaloids which can be used as drug. Second nature of drug is glycosides. Chemically, drug can be glycoside. So what are glycosides? These are the organic compounds obtained from plants which contain a sugar moiety attached to a non-sugar moiety through a ether-like linkage. So thus on hydrolysis, this gives a sugar part and a non-sugar part. Examples of glycosides are digitalis and strophanthin. Both are used as cardiac glycosides. Next nature of drug is oils. Oils are the high molecular organic substances which are either obtained from plant sources or animal sources also. These are of two types. First is fixed oils and second is volatile oils. So we will discuss these both oils. First we are discussing about fixed oils. What are fixed oils? These are the high molecular organic substances insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, etc. Some of the fixed oils have food value. So these are not having medicinal value, but they can have food value. For example, coconut oil and groundnut oil, these are having food value. While some fixed oils have medicinal importance also, they are also having medicinal properties. For example, castor oil, it can be used as purgative, and chaul mogra oil, it is one of the oldest drug which is used as anti-leprotic. Next type of oils is volatile oils. So what are volatile oils? These are ethereal high molecular organic compounds having volatile nature. These are having more importance in medicines as compared with the fixed oil, because fixed oils are having more food value and less medicinal value, but volatile oils are having medicinal value more than their food value. For example, fennel, cardamom can be used as carminative, camphor, menthol, they can be used as counter irritant. So that is about the oils. Now next important nature of drug is gums. So what are gums? These are the secretory products of plant dispersible in water to form thick mucilaginous colloids. Mostly gums are used as pharmaceutical aids. So they are not actually used as medicines, but they can be used as pharmaceutical aids which helps for the formation of various dosage forms of the drugs. For example, tragacanth, it can be used as emulsifying agent. Acacia can be used as suspending agent or binding agent. So that is about the gums. Now next nature of drug is hormones. So what are hormones? These are the organic substances mostly obtained from animal origin, and these are the secretions of endocrine glands of animals. Mostly this can be used as a replacement therapy in human being. For example, insulin is a hormone which is used in treatment of insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Thyroxine, it can be used deficiency of thyroid hormone. So that is about the hormones. Now next nature of drug is antibiotics. What are antibiotics then? Antibiotics are the substances which are obtained from microorganisms like bacteria or fungi, etc. and they are having lethal or toxic or inhibitory action on other microorganisms. So these are obtained from one microorganism, but they are having lethal effect on other microorganisms. So example of antibiotics, there are so many examples of antibiotics which are obtained from microorganism. Penicillin is one of the important antibiotic. Streptomycin is another example of antibiotic, and so many antibiotics are there. Next chemical nature of drug is resins. Drug may be resin. So what are resins? These are the oxidation and polymerization products of volatile oil. So resins are the modified products of volatile oil, we can say. So oxidation of volatile oil, polymerization of volatile oil takes place and resins are formed. Resins are insoluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Example of resin which can be used as medicine, that is oleogum resin, which is obtained from various plants. Next nature of drug is tannins. Drug can be a tannin. So what are tannins? These are the non-nitrogenous plant products which are astringent in nature. Example of tannin is tincture of catechu used in treatment of diarrhea. Now I am telling you how to remember these chemical sources of drugs easily. So to remembering various chemical natures of drugs, you have to remember sentence that is AGOG heart. Isn't it easy to remember this sentence AGOG heart? It is not having any meaning, but we have to remember this sentence AGOG heart. It's quite simple, isn't it? We can explore chemical nature of drugs from each letter of this sentence. So we can say AGOG heart. So from each letter we can explore a chemical nature. For example, A for alkaloids, G for glycosides, O for oils, G for gums, H for hormones, A for antibiotics, R for resins, and T for tannins. So it is quite easy to remember these chemical natures of the drug, isn't it? Now it is time to summarize. In this presentation, we had discussed about sources of drugs. We had also discussed about chemical nature of drug and trick to remember chemical natures of drugs. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on the subscribe button, like it and share it to your dear ones. If you have any queries, you can write me on my mail address which is given in the slide. Thank you once again.